Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Christina. In today's video I'm going to show you 3 layouts I'm using for my weekly spreads in my bullet journal for May and how I decorated them. The first weekly spread you can find it in my Plan With Me video. I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to check it out. I tend to have 3 to 4 layouts for my weekly spreads, which I rotate during the month. And of course, I try to make them more interesting by decorating them according to that month's theme. This is the second weekly spread for May. It is a layout that is inspired by Pen Paper Soul on Instagram. I continue the theme with the light bulbs here too, and I'm also using the same colors as before. You can find all the information about the supplies I've used for all the weekly spreads in the description below. For the third weekly layout, I decided to do something a bit different. A few days ago, I bought the Uniposca white pen, which I'm obsessed with and keep on using it all the time. So I decided to use it for this spread, and I made all the signs black with white lettering. I love the effect that it gives. It looks like little blackboards. As you can see, I tend to prefer the vertical layouts for my weekly spreads instead of the horizontal. I find that I can utilize the space more, and I think that my brain works better when my to-do list is vertical. Does this happen to you too? Let me know in the comments below. The last spread of the month was inspired by the lovely Mum Run Craft on Instagram. I like that it separates your to-do list in categories. You can add any category you want. I added work, personal, and meals. I also like the section of the happy daily thought that she had in her spread, and I decided to keep it in mind too. On the left, there is a section and you can add any other part you want in your weekly. like the weather or your weekly habit tracker and so on. I decided to have it as a note section where I usually add things I need to do during the week that don't have a specific place to go or they are not meant to be done on a specific day, or things I need to remember to do for next week. So these are the weekly layouts for May. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click that little bell next to it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.